Distributors hand over product data that looks like this. Cryptic codes, missing brand names, the same manufacturer spelled 6 different ways. Buyers can't search it. Search engines can't index it. SKUlpt is a tool built to fix exactly that problem, turning messy, raw catalog rows into complete, trustworthy, ready-to-publish product listings. Instead of just throwing everything at an AI model and hoping for the best, SKUlpt splits the job in 2. Rules, simple, predictable computer logic, handle anything with one correct answer, like units and spelling. Artificial intelligence, the part that makes educated guesses, only steps in where real judgment is needed. Under the hood, every single product row moves through a 10-stage pipeline. First, duplicates get flagged. Then the true manufacturer is identified, even when a distributor's messy label says something else entirely. The product gets classified into a category. An AI model reads the manufacturer's own website to pull real specifications, never guessing them. A second AI double-checks the first one's work, like a skeptical editor. Then everything gets formatted to the exact rules, spelling, units, character limits, before a final quality score decides if it's ready to publish or needs a human to look at it.
Let's see it actually run. You start by picking a data source. Here, the official Unihack challenge file of 1,000 raw catalog rows. SKUlpt automatically figures out what each column means. This is part number, this is description, this is brand. You just confirm it. Press start, and in seconds, 66 raw, cryptic rows become complete listings. 61 are marked ready to publish. 5 are set aside for a human to double-check, not because the tool failed, but because it wasn't confident enough to guess, which is exactly the responsible thing to do. Click into any single product, and you see something most AI tools hide: proof. Every fact carries a label. Did this come from the distributor's file, a rule, the AI, or the manufacturer's actual website, along with a confidence score? Nothing is a black box. If SKUlpt isn't sure where a fact came from, it says so, instead of quietly making it up. SKUlpt also grades its own homework. It compares its output against the 2 verified example rows the competition provided, and it's honest about the result. About 40% of fields match exactly. Categorization is a perfect 100%. Brand identification, 83%. Long marketing descriptions and detailed attributes lag behind. The areas that genuinely need a live internet connection and a paid AI key to shine, both of which were unavailable during this independent test. That's SKUlpt, built end-to-end for the Unihack challenge. From raw distributor data to a fully audited, publish-ready catalog, every rule enforced, every AI claim checked, every field traceable back to where it came from. This is what a real enrichment pipeline should look like: fast, honest, and ready to scale onto Unilog's actual data. Thanks for watching.